Welcome back to my YouTube channel. First, I will quickly make this video. Firstly, I want to recharge on this channel first before it's 12 o'clock. So this is 11:41. So I want to recharge first before it's become 12 o'clock. So right now I want to recharge $5. Let me recharge $5. I'm recharging $5, 5 USDT, which is $5 right now. So I registered on this platform and I was given $20 for free, so I need to add $5 to it to make it $25 so that I can purchase their 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 VIP. So right now let me quickly make the transfer. Let me quickly make the transaction. So right now I have made the transaction. Let me go back to the site. The reason why I'm doing this fast is that I want to quickly withdraw today. I want to withdraw today so that tomorrow I will also withdraw. Tomorrow. This 11:43. So I will do this and I will quickly withdraw away. So order submitted. So I'm waiting for the order right now. I will just perform my task and end my $2 something on this platform fast, plus the $1 I have in it already. So that's what I just want to do. So as you can see right now, I now have $26 here. So right now let me perform my task. Click on task. Let me quickly perform my task. Or you can click on home, then click on your VIP. I'm in VIP 1. So this is how to perform the task. Just click on it, click on submit, click on the other one, click on submit. That is 5 tasks per day. Click on this one, click on submit. I think this is 6 tasks per day. So 6 tasks per day, you should give me $2 something. So that is how to perform your task. Okay, number exceed, that is 5 tasks per day. So if I go back to my account, you will see that it has increased to $28. So right now, as you can see, I have already earned $2 for today. So let me withdraw right now. Let's see. So as you can see, I have $28 here and I have already earned $2 here. So let me withdraw right now as I have done my task here. So let me withdraw. Let's see. I want to withdraw $3. Let's see if I will actually receive the money or not. But before I withdraw, let me take my withdrawal, this thing, my wallet address. I want to withdraw before it gets to withdrawal method. Now go to withdrawal method and add your wallet address there. Input it and input your transaction password. So I have input my transaction password. Click on submit. So that one has been updated there now. So click on withdrawal. I want to withdraw 3.0507. Now input your transaction password. So I have input my transaction password. Now select your withdrawal method here. Click on it and select your wallet address. Now click on submit. So as you can see, application for withdrawal submitted successfully. Application for withdrawal. Okay, now let me check. As you can see, they have deduct it from my balance here. They have deduct the $3 from my balance there. So right now, let me go to my wallet address and keep on refreshing. Maybe I will receive the money or not. As you can see, the money has arrived already. The money has arrived already, I think. So this is it. This is the $3 for now. As you can see it, this is the $3 for now. The money has arrived. Let me do the screenshot. Let me do the screenshot. So as you can see, the money has arrived. That platform is paying. It's paying. It's just like the other I have shared to you. If you want to do this fast, as you can only they are only taking only $5. So I believe in less than 3 days you will get back your money, because you'll be earning $2 daily if you do the lowest one there, which is VIP one. Even though you do the highest one there, you will get your money back in less than 3 days, as this platform is just launched. So that is how the platform is. I have done everything here. So I have done everything. You have seen it by yourself. So guys, thank you for watching. If you want to register on this platform, check the description of this video. You see the registration link there to register. And if you find this video helpful, please hit that like button. And if this is your first time on this channel, again, please hit that subscribing button, and at the same time hit the bell behind it, so that anytime I drop more videos such like this or more like this, will be the first person to see the video notification on your phone screen. So guys, for now, goodbye.